So I'm with Richard Pearson here on the Dah Lih stand at TIMTOS. Richard, I know we've looked at this machine in Sheffield recently, or Geo did with yourself, but this is a little bit different, is it? What's changed?
Obviously the livery, we made it a little bit more modern, but inside we've got a new feature, Renishaw setting, tool setting, diameter and length, but built into the rotary table.
It's built into the machine, so that, in some ways, that's got to be better than retrofitting one after, isn't it?
And very good access. Any combination of tool, part, no restriction, very easy to use.
Is that a common thing to do? Do other machine tool manufacturers do it?
Not that I know of. Normally they mount them on the table, but with a 5-axis table, very good, very difficult to then get access.
I think it's a very worthy feature, and I think it is innovative that you guys have done this. Just quickly tell us about this machine itself, the makeup of it, the specs and so forth.
Okay, it's 15,000 RPM spindle. We've got 25 horsepower with a very good torque ratio motor, so we've got full power from 1500 RPM. This spindle will do heavy steel cutting like stainless steel, so we can tap M20 in one hand, and in the next breath we can machine aluminium at 14,000 RPM and get a good all-round performance.
A good all-round machine by the sounds of it. When are you going to have them in Sheffield with the new livery?
Oh, the new livery later on in the year.
Good stuff. Thank you very much, Richard.
Okay, thank you.